Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Xiaomi X10 with the S10 specs, some important things that you need to know about both of these products. So first thing first, the suction power is same on both, so this is a tie. Then you're gonna have the navigation for Xiaomi X10 is better. Then both got like good modern design, dustbin capacity is the same. The Xiaomi S10 got better water tank capacity, mop function is the same, control method same. Then you get noise level also similar. Then we're gonna come here to battery capacity. The really important thing that with the X10 you can have more battery comparing to S10. Battery life therefore also same, longer. Charging similar. Then cleaning area per charge in this regard is going to be also better with the Xiaomi X10. And then you're gonna have the auto emptying station. This is also good for the X10. Then you're gonna have also the HEPA filters and zone cleaning, voice control, and the app features. This is like I'm going to compare it right now, the features for you, only because this is interesting. So both got the automatic separation of different home areas. This is something you're also going to find right here, where you're going to have the customized room cleaning order or when the area is clean. This is something that you can do on both. Then map multiple floors. This is something multi-floor mapping you're going to have on both. Then you're going to have zone cleaning. This is something that I researched and the Xiaomi X10 doesn't have it. So Xiaomi robot vacuum X10 doesn't have the no-go zone. So if you have it for dog, if you're a cat, this is like really important thing that you need to know. Now when we go dive into further, you're gonna have the choose what where you want to clean, the zone selection, like the zone cleaning. You have the zone selection when the area is clean, that you can have different cleaning settings, but you don't have it like this, that you would have like a zone cleaning. You see, this is something that I don't see with the Xiaomi X10. And then you're gonna have you give each room a name. This is something that you can probably do on both. But I just wanted to share with you that regards many things, when you're gonna have the navigation is better, battery capacity, battery life, the cleaning area per charge, the auto emptying station is amazing for X10. Possibly the price is going to be also higher, but to be aware that with the X10 you are not going to get the zone cleaning and also the no-go areas. At least based on my research, I didn't find it anywhere, and I was like also reviewing articles and things like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make this quick for you. I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value of like when you're thinking about buying this or that. And that's it. So thank you very much and hope you have a great day. And yeah, goodbye. And let me down below in the comments which one you prefer more and which one you're going to decide for that you would like to buy. See ya.